Hey there, Phototex, self-adhesive removable fabric. Hi, I'm Walter Gerlach, president of the Phototex Group, and I've been importing this material for over 20 years. I just want to let you know that we have 3 different versions of Phototex today. It's all 100% polyester fabric, and it's used for different applications, from the walls to the windows to the doors to the floors. When we first started in 2004, we had what we called the original version. That's a translucent backlit version. It's a non-opaque, and it was used in the fine arts, photography market, used on a lot of doors, elevator doors, and for single print cutouts. We also have a high-tech version of the original, and that could also be used for floors, especially with UV ink. It's actually wonderful and certified for smooth floors and tight weave carpets. But when we begin to do wall murals and wall decor and wallpapering, when you overlap, you would be able to see the overlap. So we did come out with a 3rd version, which is the opaque version or the blockout version. So how do I know what to use and where to use it? It's simple. We're going to send you to phototexgroup.com. You could see here the page to fill out what printer you have, what ink you're using, what application you want, and then it'll show you what is the best version to use. What we'd like to do in the meantime, though, is if you could email me at walterjr@phototexgroup.com. We want to send you a free sample folder. In here is all the samples. It'll show you the original, it'll show you the high-tech, it'll show you the blockout. It tells you the different size rolls that we carry and the different uses for those materials. So what we'll do is let's get this in your hands, and then once you decide and fill out what's best for you, email me again, and then I want to send you a free sample roll. We don't just send out a small sample roll, we send out a real nice sample roll so you could actually have at it and test it. It's removable, reusable, repositionable. It's a patented product. Like I said, we've been selling it since 2004. It's well known in museums and stadiums and airports and home decor and for businesses. So please email me, again, walterjr@phototexgroup.com. Let's get this application for your walls, your windows, your doors, and your floors. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.